The mysterious fires and explosion are continuing throughout Russia. A tire factory is on fire in Barnaul. The area of ignition is about 1,000 square meters. The plant also produces tires for military equipment. Large-scale fire also erupted in the shopping center Khimki in Moscow. It is known that the fire has been assigned as high level of complexity. Russian-occupied Donetsk is heavily shelled. Smoke is visible in the city after loud bangs. Ukrainians are attacking Donetsk after growing pressure on Bakhmut and Soledar from Russians. The Russian soldiers came one day and took this Lada from her. But it didn't end well for them.
Помощь. Армії не на чим воювати. Надо транспорт. Вони просто свій акумулятор вставили в машину, взяли на трос і потягли цього «Жигуля». Це було пів-першої, а пів-п'ятої нам приїжджають люди і кажуть: Петрівна, а ваша машина, он там на краю, перевернута, 4 вбитих. Наш «Жигуль» пішов в той світ достойно, забравши з собою 4 нехороших нелюдів.
Let this be the motivation for everyone. Ukrainian soldier Yuri Pavlik, who received severe leg injuries at the front, was able to recover thanks to hard training.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.